Have you ever had a diamond fall out of a ring? If you have, then you probably know how much it costs to put it back in. In the jewelry industry, the diamond setters are the ones making the real money. But it's for a good reason. One tiny slip up, and the whole piece is ruined. For this repair, I was tasked with fixing 2 prongs and resetting a princess cut diamond. Before our client came into our store, he asked one of the local jewelers to try to do this work, and they quoted him $1,500. To his surprise, I charged him much less. The high cost of intricate jewelry repairs also takes into part the risk of a catastrophic failure happening when doing the repair. But as a small business owner, if there's no risk, there's probably no reward either.